Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, you have to look at three most important point that the high of natural gas was around $16.741. Okay, this is the first point. Second, we have seen it has tried to move upside but made a high, second high you can say is coming at around $14.458. Okay, after that what we have seen that the price of natural gas was moving in this particular zone for quite some time. You can say this is from 2009 till 2021. Okay, and after that I have already told you in my previous video that 4.8 is a strong resistance. Once it break upside, a probability will be very high. We can see it can move further upside. Okay, and once the range break upside, okay, after 4.8 what we have seen 6.3 was the range where we have seen, this is the particular range where we have seen if this level breaks upside, we can see it can go further high, because this range has been not tested for around, you can say 10-12 years. Okay, that is when it has moved upside, and plus because of the war situation, the import and export of natural gas has affected. Because of that, the price spark upside, and you have seen that it has made a high from 9.6 for the first time. Okay, and after that what it did, it came down again, and it tried after making a low of 5.2, again went a high and made a high of around 10.063. okay, again it has come down. Now what we can see looking at the chart for the next week. Okay, before we move forward in natural gas, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, if you look at this chart, this is a U pattern forming here. Okay, in the same pattern we can see a ascending upside pattern was forming here, and we have seen a swing forming at this particular level. After that what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall from third week of August. We have seen there is continuously it is coming down. Okay, so suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, which is a higher probability that if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can go further down. Okay, so if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $8.006, and this is a support which is a strong support. So we can see a bounce back from this level, because it has already made a low of around $7.77, which is also a support. Okay, so suppose if this level didn't sustain, it can go below $8.006, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of $7.8. okay, once this support breaks downside, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of around $7.548. okay, and what we can see from here, that we can see a bounce back at from this particular level. Okay, so if it goes upside, okay, then the next resistance we can see is coming at around $8.3. so what is the, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, support didn't sustain, then we can see it can go further down and can touch a level of around, we can see a level of $6.9. So you have to keep this in mind. If the price didn't sustain a level of 7.54, then we can see it can touch a level of $6.9. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of $6.553. so you have to keep all these things in mind, that if the price didn't sustain a level of 8, then we can see a level of $7.8. from there we can see a level of 7.5, and if that level didn't sustain, we can see a level of $6.9, and from there we can see a level of $6.553. okay, now as you know that market is uncertain, you cannot see that the market will move for sharp upside or downside. It moves in a particular zone, and then if it breaks that particular zone, it try to move upside as well as in downside, this and move in a ascending or descending orders. Okay, so now if this particular level sustain, okay, so it has made a strong support at $7.77. suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $8.28. okay, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $8.491. okay, suppose if the price goes above that level, then there is a high probability we can see it can touch a level of $6.44. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of around $9. Okay, so once the price goes above $9, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can touch a level of this $9 is already a weak resistance, so probability is will be very high. We can see it can touch a level of $9.460. This is again a weak resistance. So again, what we can see, if the price goes above 8.6, $9 is again a weak resistance, 9.4 is again a weak resistance, so probability will be very high that we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of $9.965. Okay, and if the price goes above that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $10.3, and from there we can see it can move further upside, because as you know that the price once goes above $9 or 10.3, then because where we have seen that the price of natural gas has moved the most in 2008, from 2000 to 2008 there is so much of volatility, and the price goes above $10.3, then there is a probability that we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of 10.3, and from there we can see a level of $10.58. Okay, and if that level sustained, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. You have to understand something, that if you are trading or investing, you have to be very careful, because this is, most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, so you have to be precise when to enter, when to exit. I take a workshop in which I teach how to take entry and exit strategies and all. If you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.